Now here's our irrigation system. Inside our irrigation system, here inside there's our Arduino connected with an Arduino and a relay switch. And the relay switch turns on whenever the soil moisture sensor is sensing something that the pot that we will put inside, if that is dry, then it'll sense it, then it will give the signal to the relay switch, then the relay switch will give a signal to the water pump, and then the water pump will get the water out when it's inside. Now, when the soil moisture's value is low from the defined thing in the code, value in the code, then it will give the signal to the relay switch, and the relay switch will give the signal to the motor, and then to the water pump. Then the water pump will throw the water out from this pipe. The result. See, water is going. Now now all the water has got finished from there, so that's why the wet side. Now wet side, it got right as it went, then everything got stopped. We can adjust the pot's value just like we put it on 300, so we can put it on 500 or 600 or 200 as the plant needs. Just like if it needs more, then we can change the value to 700, so that when it gets a bit wet, or 800, it needs so much water.